Dalgıç Group of Companies has been in existence with its sub-companies Dalgıç Kalıp-Dlg Plast-Dalgıç Makine and Dalgıç Global since its establishment in 1988. It is a well-established corporation that manufactures metal and plastic molds and products for Turkey and the world market. Our group provides the automotive sector with the supply of molds, parts, assembled product groups, and registered trademark products which are being manufactured in 4 different factories of Dalgıç. Dalgıç has been recognized worldwide with its excellent quality, which results in exporting molds and parts to many countries, especially to Germany, Spain, Czechia, Poland, India, Russia, Slovenia, and Italy. Dalgıç Kalıp has been established in 1988, and today it's located in 3 different factories. In Istanbul, Tuzla, the company provides mold design, part feasibility analysis, and production of progressive tandem transfer molds for its tool production factory. In addition to this, stamping factory is also located in Istanbul, Tuzla, which provides cold sheet forming, assembly, screw pounding, and welding processes for the automotive, white goods, and electrical and electronics industries with its press line in the range of 35 to 300 tons. Dalgıç Kalıp also produces electronic parts in its Zonguldak factory since 2010. Dalgıç Makine has been established in 2007 to provide machining solutions in Istanbul, Ims. It's specialized in high-precision machining, precision cut, wire erosion, robotic equipment production, tool set production, and fixture manufacturing with its CMM inspection capability and effective CAD/CAM engineering solutions, especially for the automotive, defense, aerospace, and mold manufacturing industries. Our company, which constantly improves its quality as a pioneer, sought after and innovative organization in its field, received certificates of conformity for ISO in 2015, IATF 16949, and VDA 6.3 standards in 2017. Dalgıç Global has been established in 2020 for the purpose of global investment management, innovation, product supply, and consultancy services based on the concepts of R&D, innovation, entrepreneurship, e-export, e-commerce, supply, and investment within the body of Dalgıç Group of Companies. Many brands operate in different sectors under Dalgıç Global. DLG Plast has been established in 2016 to produce highly sensitive lighting part tools and parts in Bursa. The plastic mold and part production capability of Dalgıç Group was started in early 2000s under the roof of Dalgıç Kalıp. After several years, it decided to run plastic business in a separate company under the group of Dalgıç. Now, it produces and assembles lenses, light guides, headlights, 2K and high-precision molds in its mold factory located in Istanbul, Tuzla. DLG manages all processes from part design to fully assembled products, including tool production, part production, and testing facilities, which makes DLG an important project partner of global Tier 1 companies. In the Bursa factory, it successfully manufactures headlights, taillights, signal lights, and plastic parts in its injection part production lines, as well as interior and exterior trim parts and visual parts, which are especially used for the automotive industry. DLG is also an important supplier of boiling and air condition producers with its control panel productions. Our company carries out the quality and measurement processes of the parts it produces with high-tech equipment in its laboratories in Bursa and Istanbul Tuzla facilities. All of our group firms use cloud-based MRP and ERP systems. Dalgıç. Produce for the future. Produce the future.